Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mifza Pagarayu. I'm a student of English Education Study Program 2. In here, I'm going to explain about my research method in chapter 3 of my proposal. Okay, the title of my research is The Effectiveness of Directed Reading to the Third Grade Students at MTS Masdarul Ulum Pemulutan. Okay, in research method, there are some part. The first is research design. In this research, I use quantitative study because it solves the problem systematically and the data collected is in the form of numbers, where the method used by researchers is the experimental method with pre-test and post-test design. Okay. From the title, in order to avoid misunderstanding, some keywords will be explained. There are three terms that need to be explained. The first is students' perceptions refers to the perception of third grade students at MTS Masdarul Ulum Pemulutan. And then the second is the directed reading is a popular instructional procedures that can be used with both fiction and non-fiction texts. And then for the last is reading means getting meaning from print, non-phonical reading, vocabulary, syllabication, or other skills. Okay, next is the participant. The population in this research was the third grade student at MTS Masdarul Ulum Pemulutan, and then the participant will be consist of 30 students from 65 students of third grade students of MTS Masdarul Ulum Pemulutan, which will be chosen by using the simple random sampling. Okay, next is data collection. In data collection, there are two instruments will be used in this research. There are, in the first is questionnaire. It consists of 15 items and provide with 4 alternative of response category. There are strongly agree, disagree, and then strongly disagree. And then for the second is subjective test of reading. In this test, it was conducted to find out the initial ability of student before this method being applied, and also to know the achievement of the student after the treatment section. Okay, for the last is about data analysis. The first, the data was obtained from the reading test. In here, the data collected through the test using inferential statistic percentage score. Okay, in here, this is a formula to use this data analysis. After use this formula, the classifying the student score into following the criteria. Okay, in here, in the table is the criteria. The first, if the score is between 9,6 until 10, it's excellent. And then for the score is 8,6 until 9,5, it's very good. And then for the third is 7,6 until 8,5, it's good. And then if it is 6,6 until 7,5, it's very good. For 5,6 until 6,5, it's very. For 3,6 until 5,6, it's poor. And then for 0,0 until 3,5, it's very poor. And then for the data obtained from the questionnaire, the collected data were analyzed by using the percentage technique. Okay, this is the formula to use this technique. Okay. I think that's all from me. I'm so sorry if I have many mistakes. Thank you for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.